All right. So far it was at course. So after at course, so I fixed the at course and then the notifications as well. So I don't think I have any. Yeah, I don't have any notifications right now. So, but then we have the clear all option if there were notifications here. But since we don't have notifications, let me go back so we can see the live update. So we can add a course. The way we add a course, we enter the course title. So, for example, Dart.
Okay.
We enter the description, maybe, I don't know, whatever. And then we can either enter the image URL if we already had an image for the course.
Okay.
Either that, or we can pick from our gallery. So I don't have any image URL, so I'm just going to pick from my gallery.
Okay, right.
So when I pick from my gallery, I'm going to choose this. And let me rename this to ethic. Oh wait, before that, let me show you the cancel the groups. So far we don't have a group. So how the groups will be created when we create a course, then automatically there's a group created for them. So all of these, and we also send notifications to everyone as well. So but then let me go ahead and create a course. So I'm going to call it ethical hacking course, and then we can say when ethical hacking from beginner to advanced.
By the way, do you know hacking?
Yes.
This is what I was actually thinking. I just felt like you write this name, it has something to do with you.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
And then we can add the course. So
okay, right.
Let's see. So course added successfully.
Yes.
So we can go now and see in the groups. We can see we have an ethical hacking group. We can decide to join it. Join groups successfully. Now we have this, but there are no chats, so we can start a chat. We can also go to our home and see there's a notification for a new course.
All right.
So when we click on this, we can see a new course, ethical hacking. We can decide to remove. We can decide to remove this course this way, or if we had when I swipe this to the end, then it will delete it. Or we can use the clear all if we had a lot of courses. There's also a feature for knowing when we've read it. So if we haven't read this yet, then we see a little dot here. So let me fix that right now. Let me see. Notification screen. Where is it? Notification tile. Yes. So over here, let me remove the code that marks it as seen. So when let me try sending a new notification.
Yeah.
So that we can see. So I added this plus button here to automatically send a generic notification. It was just for debug mode when I was testing notification. So when I click this, it sends a generic notification. Right, so I've clicked that, it sent a notification. So now we can see there's a new notification here.
Yeah, right.
When I open this, when the notification isn't read yet, then we can see this red dot, right? So what I was doing was the moment this tile gets built, this thing gets built, then we mark it as seen, because we're assuming that for this to be built, meaning the user has come into this screen and he's seen this. So I'm also using a list view builder, and the list view builder builds lazily, right? So if that notification was off screen and they haven't seen it, then meaning it won't even be built. So meaning we can't mark it as red. So it works properly. So how this one works right now is, so if I've uncommented the code that marks it as red. When I refresh, let me refresh. When I refresh, I refresh. So when I go back in, then it will automatically mark it as red. So when I come back out, then it's red. Right. So that's how it all works.
Okay.
Also, the notification gets sent for everything from material, when we add a new material, when we add a new exam, when we add a new video. The add video one works right now. So before you add a video, you actually have to pick a course that you're adding the video for. So because I wanted to link everything to properly. So when you pick this, then it will return me the course ID basically, and then I can add the video and save it, and then it links in the backend in the Firebase. Then it connects everything together. So every course knows the videos that are attached to it, and every video is aware of the course that it's attached to. this way. So first of all, you pick a course and then you do these. And then, so after adding a video, a notification gets sent. So I haven't yet implemented add exam and add material because I'm still waiting for those from you. So after I add those, so far we also have add courses, right?
Yeah.
So basically, I was going to ask you, so I wanted to remove these. So I was going to ask you, after adding, I have everything set up for getting courses. We can click on the tile and see the course details. But then I wanted to ask you before I actually implemented it, because the backend, the other layers are done. The only thing left for seeing all the subjects. All right, I'll do just that then.
Okay.
All right. So then I'm then waiting for the materials so that I can build out the rest of the material stuff from you. So once I get material structured, I can build the schema for the backend.
Okay. So today I'll during the meeting I'll give you the link for the APK, which with this you would have better idea.
All right.
So, but here you said that someone can delete this this ethical hacking group, right?
No one can delete it.
Oh, so sorry, but
once there's a course, then
yeah, of course, this is what I was thinking. If there's the course, but earlier you were saying that deleting something. So there was the notification delete, right?
Oh yeah, deleting a notification. So when you swipe on the notification, then it gets deleted.
Ah, right. Okay.
And then also when you clear all, then it would just clear all. If there were more than one, then it would delete everything.
Okay, right.
That's how it works.
Okay.
So I can send, I don't know, 5. I've clicked that a lot of times. So basically I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can just decide to clear all, and it clears all of them.
Okay, right. Okay, that's good. So, but last time you also added the adding video feature, right? That's still there.
Yes, the add video feature is still there and everything.
Okay,
this one's pretty. It's a lot. The add video is more complex than add calls because we have to process if you're adding the video as a URL or you're adding it from a gallery,
right?
And we also have to process and extract thumbnails from the video and everything. So yeah, this one was a lot to deal, but it's all done now.
Okay, so it works. I mean, without any bug.
No, yeah, the add calls, they all work without any bugs. I've debugged it and everything, and also written tests on them, so all the tests are passing. There's about 100 and something tests so far with the application. Wow. It's a lot of tests.
All right. Yeah, that's a lot of tests, and you have the patience to do that, I see. Okay. Another thing, can I see the personal center, like those at the top, the 3 dot? Is it the profile center? Yeah.
Yes, edit profile. You can edit your profile.
Right.
You can change your name and it reflects. So let me change this to, ocean blue. But we can also even change our image. Let me also change it. Now we can see ocean blue and we have the image.
Yeah.
All right. And then we can say done, and then it loads, and it's done. Now we have ocean blue. The image will change in a bit. Come on. Yes. Okay. Now we have our image. When we go home, we can also, when we go home, we can also see ocean blue and we can see our new image.
Okay.
It's up there as well. So yeah. So that part works. For the notifications, I was thinking the logout actually also works for logging out if you want to log out. The notification is meant to show you an option to turn on or off notification sounds. So yes, this is also part of the questions I wanted to ask. So should we add a notification sound and then give them that option?
I think notification should have sound that is coming. Otherwise, how do they know that there is a notification? Right? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll add that, and then they can toggle it on. That should be pretty easy. So I'll just add the Flutter audio clear, and that's it.
Okay, right. And the other one that I was thinking, so far you've been doing this test on Android, but not on iOS, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't have any iOS devices.
Okay, right. So here I go, and I could help because I have iOS I mean MacBook, so definitely I can do that.
Oh, nice.
In fact, a little later I'll be able to do that. Once I think here it's pretty much done, right? I mean your
Yes.
presentation.